Hello and welcome to this video. Before we get started, grab a folder or something to store your documents in. During this video, we're going to obtain our unofficial court documents. This document could be used to help you communicate with either the appellate courts, criminal courts of common plea, magistrate or district courts, or the Philadelphia Municipal Court. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, depending on your case, you would either click on the appellate courts, criminal court of common pleas, magistrate or district courts, or the Philadelphia Municipal Court. So for this fictitious example, I'm going to click on criminal courts of common pleas. Scroll down. Next to search type, select the drop down box, select participant name, enter your last name, first name, date of birth, scroll down. Next to docket type, select the drop down box, select criminal, select search. Now over in the lower left hand corner, you're going to see an icon. It looks like a piece of paper with a magnifying glass. Select docket sheet, print the information, select court summary, print the information. Once the information is printed, put the documentation inside of your folder because you're going to use this information at a later date when you start communicating with the courts. So as I wrap up this video, please make sure you take your time completing the pardon application. Also, make sure you subscribe. Thank you and good luck.